How to set camera aspect ratio to 16 by 9 as the default in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on camera. Now here you can see the option preserve settings. Now click on it and then turn on creative controls. After turning on creative controls, then go back to your home screen and open your camera. Now swipe up and here you can see the ratio option. Now click on it and here you can select your ratio to 16 by 9. After selecting your ratio, then close your camera, and whenever you open your camera it will set your aspect ratio 16 by 9. So this is the way to set camera aspect ratio to 16 by 9 as the default in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.